Right, let's reassemble that. The motor. Up onto those 3 posts. There we go. Now, we put the cover on. Then one of the nuts at the top first. Get it square. Down it goes. Second one. Wind it down. Tighten them up a little bit to hold it in place. It's a 5.5mm spanner I'm using. Now, put the clip on, hold that wire, then the next nut, tighten that down. Done. Now, drop that bit of wire back into there again, then up to the top, tighten these nuts, almost, there we go. Now, that wire back over there, tie that down, and we're ready to put the motor back onto the chassis. That goes there, that will go on there. Right, now we have to align those holes. Right, that's a bit of a bite in it. Now, next one. Then we'll tighten them all up. One. 2, 3, 4. That's the 4th one. Put that back over there. Connected the power. The lights are on. The second wheel is turning. It's currently 224. It should drop very soon. There we go. Alright. Disconnect the power. Disconnected the power. Before we put the clock back together again, I'll clean the face of the unit with some shellite, and then we'll rub it down with some methylated spirits to remove any finger marks. Now I'll clean down inside here with the cotton bud. You can see it's removing dust and fluff from in there. You can see the fluff on it there. Right, that looks better. Now we'll run over the outside into the corners. The cotton bud. Get that clean up. Down under there. Get a bit of the fluff in there and down along the bottom. It's looking heaps better already. Down there, scrub that out. Down the centre. Alright, now we'll put some metho on the clear plastic and remove the last of our fingerprints. Now, a little bit of metho on a rag. We'll clean inside. Remove the dust. Then we'll dry it. Then we'll do the outside. One. Okay, that's looking pretty clean, other than the little scratch on there that we can't take out because it's inside. Now we'll put the front on the clock. First up, we'll put the earphone jack in. Okay, that's on. Get that over there. Alright, looking your damn side shiny already. Right, put the front on now. Tips over there. Turn that over. Start screwing that together. First one we'll put there. Then our Phillips head screws once again. Right, that's all the screws back in the case. Now we can put the knobs back on. First our sleep knob. Then our time set and time adjust knob. That's the square face. So that goes there. Now time set over the top. Done. Tuning knob. Right. Now sliders. Scottie, do. Three. And our alarm on off. Goes there. Alright, they're on, they're on. That's done.